guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, I said that yesterday was the last video of this week. I think I lied. So after the whole day inside of my house, so on Sunday I decided, okay, I need to go out. Where to go? Which beach to go? Then I decided to come here, Suluban Beach. It's only like 30 minutes away from my house. So I took the car, take everything I need, and then here I am. See, there is a shipwreck. I don't know what is the history. The beach is quite nice actually. The tide is out, so I can see that with this form of jacuzzis, so people just can soak in. It's actually quite nice. And inside the jacuzzis, lots of small fishes. So this beach is quite famous, Suluban Beach, quite famous with tourists and especially surfers. So they say that the wave here is one of the world-class waves. I didn't know until only like last month. I met a surfer and he is from UK. Yeah, he is from UK, and he always come here at least 2 times in a year just to do this surfing and body rolling. I don't know. So I go to near to the wave. I would like to shoot the wave, and it's just fantastic that I'm just walking here. That one, this one, yes, the blue one is single fin. I took one of my sunset, beautiful sunset is in the video from this area, and there are many more small cafes and yeah, small villa, very nice. Now let's go to see the waves, the world-class wave. Ooh, drama. I want to show you something. I bought this filter for my GoPro. So supposedly this filter is for a snorkel. So when you are like in 5 meters under, that it will give a better, I think like a better color under the water. I just tried just now, so let's see how the result. Hi guys, the sun is almost set. So I'm waiting here with my coconut, so nice, and I met this very kind gentleman from China, from Shanghai. His name is Mr. Zhu Jinyuan.
我是中国人，从上海来的。我游遍了很多国家，现在到了巴厘岛。巴厘岛是一个很美丽的地方，是一个仙人住的地方。It's a wonderful place. It's a wonderland. And 我遇见了一个来自棉兰老岛的女同事、女朋友。Okay, I say so much.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.